can you see that drop on the boom 1000 index? This is on the daily time frame, ladies and gentlemen. This is why I always encourage you to learn how to trade properly, and this is how we do it in the Kobe Forest trading community. And this setup was so powerful that we caught it on the high. So definitely, where you're going, you are visiting this low. And remember, this is on the daily time frame. So this is a massive swing sector that we went in for some days now. Okay, and now we've break even at a very solid area, which is the middle section. And now price is what pushing to what to our area for to take profit. This is very simple. This is very simple, ladies and gentlemen. This is very simple. That's why I always say you need a systematic approach, a mechanical approach that will help you to become very successful in the forex market. And our way of trading is very simple, and I always make sure I grab you through the video so that you understand what we are doing. This is very simple. So the whole daily structure over here is basically a corrective pattern after this impulse, but within this corrective pattern, the daily time frame, we're able to capitalize on this swing move to the downside. This is very simple. This is very simple, ladies and gentlemen. So on the 4-hour, let's see how it looks like. Good. So on the 4-hour, you can see this how the move, and we have a various structure, okay, where we use that to manage our trade, whereby after the pattern that we got here, we had our impulse correction, impulse a retest correction, a bigger impulse, a bigger corrective pattern, an impulse, a retest after the breakout. You see an impulse. So what do you expect again? We expect what a very massive a corrective pattern, a bigger one, or probably will exhaustion to our internal TP, or another corrective pattern, whereby this corrective pattern can even come and clear this our Excel. That's a break even. Yeah, but we are okay with that. We are just watching. On the 4-hour, we can have a corrective pattern. If it is bigger, we can clear our stop loss. Then what it will be what we call a break-even setup. Okay, but it's very good. We are okay with our profits, so we are expecting let's say a corrective pattern again and a sharp move. This is why I always say that what we always make sure you have the right mindset. No need to panic. Okay, no need to panic when you are trading. So this is very awesome and very beautiful setup on the boom 1000 index. And I also have this look. This is also beautiful setup. We caught another swing setup on the crash 600 index. This is so beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. I always say our trading method will really help you to set you up for success in the forex market. Okay, so what we saw on the boom 1000 index, that was a double top. Over here we got what a double what pattern. Very simple. So this is like a reverse pattern that happened on the boom 1000. That's what is reversed in the crash 600 index. This is very simple. Also, we have our TP here, and this one is a very massive impulsive move. Okay, so you can see how we are drifting. I made a video earlier that by then our break even was around here, and this sharp move came on the daily time frame. Now we've locked a very high profit. So we've passed the middle section now, and now we are at around the 65% based on our move. Around the 65, get to the 70, so we're expecting to reach what our intended area for take profit. This is very simple and very beautiful setup. This is a stress-free. Our swing setups are stress-free. The most important thing when you're going for swing setups is what normally sometimes it takes time for the flight, or I mean for the move to come. So sometimes we can pause for area of entry for a while for swing setups. Okay, no need to panic. Okay, it's well proven and tested for so many years, so we know that definitely. And when we start shifting, that's where you can see you can relax and watch the market print out what money for you. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. So see it on the 4-hour time frame. Absolutely fantastic. So you see we can't even see our entry over here. So this is when we had what we call the and a big impulsive move, a corrective structure, and see another move came, another impulsive move to the upside. You can see it over here, another impulsive move, another correction, okay, at a contracting triangle, another impulse came in, okay. And now, so for this pair, okay, let's learn something here. For this pair, after seeing this impulse, what do you expect? A corrective pattern. So we can have another correction whereby now you can't tell the type of corrective pattern that this market is really going to show now. So we are just waiting patiently. We can have either a contracting, a converging, a triangle, a zigzag. I'm not seeing more of zigzag. I'm expecting something like a flat, okay, any of the flat, extended flat, regular or irregular, any of them can happen over here before what we have another sharp move to the upside to where our TP what is. This is very simple, ladies and gentlemen. I say it, I'll say it again, this is very simple. Yeah, and with this one, this is a day intraday trading setup that we call during the day. This on the 24th of April 2025. Okay, so with the intraday trading also, we always capitalize on impulse. Okay, we train our eyes, okay, to forecast any impulsive move that is coming based on the chart that we are watching. So we seeing this, we're expecting the sharp move, a sharp drop, okay. And this sharp drop, we knew that what it would definitely come. So what we train our eyes, our mindset, okay, to prepare ourselves when this impulsive move what will come. Please, is that clear? Yeah, so we wait for what a massive impulsive moves. We don't trade in consolidation, sideways market. We hate it because during that time chances of winning is very low. Okay, if you take setups on what, on areas of what, consolidation, or areas of where market has paused in let's say 70%, you are going to what, lose a whole lot. Okay, so this is very simple, very simple. So what so after seeing this, we knew that this move will come, and definitely we saw this when this is intraday trading. Okay, although where our TPs, we have significant lows that we'll be clearing. Okay, and you can see now there is a spark coming now. Okay, but what are we expecting? We can have what, another drop down, okay, then another push up before we can drop again, whereby this will be an impulse, a correction, an impulse. If there is a massive looking at, okay, 7 o'clock now, so looking how this candle, okay, look massively, okay, I can clearly say that we are going to push to the upside. Looking at what the price, the language of the market, seeing how this the momentum candles coming in for the what impulse, so we can have this sharp move again coming in on the 1 hour time frame. We can what, push price to the upside. Okay, so with this setup, I'll close this straight for now, or I'll exit one and let one run, okay, which will be in a break even. But I see that we have this low. At least let's clear this low perfectly before we have a push up. So these are all the what, the alternative ways, and what uh, uh, the main plan. Okay, so this is very simple. And we have another intraday trading setup that is running for us currently. That's the C900. We went in with this trade a few hours now, and you can see how we are seeing this impulsive move. Okay, you see this impulsive move. This is very simple, you see. So I always say that what we train our students to see the massive impulses in the market. Okay, this is very simple. This is intraday trading setups, where our TP is intraday trading. You can close it when you are satisfied with your profit. This is very good. And this market, I really have chances of winning. This market is very high after seeing this impulse, a correction, and impulse, another impulse, so a correction, then a sharp move to the upside. This is very simple, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. As you've had that enough time, okay, to watch our videos, okay. So we encourage you, if you are still procrastinating, we encourage you to take the bold step. Okay, take a bold step. If only you really want to make this journey as a forex trader a success, you have to take the move. Okay, you have to take the move before what you can attain that peak that you desire of. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen. See you. Bye bye.